Okay, so try it one more time. Does this one look like it could be arithmetic? Does it look linear? No, because why? So it's got the square. So what it means is you cannot use that formula for the sequence because it would not be arithmetic. But we still, the way that the problem is phrased, right, it says still you got to find the number of terms. And this is informative because it happens even with arithmetic or geometric sometimes. How many terms are there in this series? How many? Right? It's not 5 because it doesn't start at 1. It starts at 2. Right? You got to take into account where does it start and where does it end. If it was 1 to 5, you'd say 5. Since it's 2 to 5, n equals 4. And generally, the way you do that is just, the formula for any combination of these things, you're going to do 5 minus 2 plus 1. Right? It's whatever that difference is plus 1. Just even look on the ones we did before where it was clear how many terms there was. If you do 50 minus 1, you get 49. And then you add 1 and you got your 50. So that's the way you find it. Don't always jump at that first number. Okay, next, how would we find the first term? Connor? Plug in the 2, right? Plug in that number. Now notice when I'm finding the first term here, because the index starts at 2, it's not actually A1. The formula says A1. The A1 means the first term. Even if you're not plugging in 1 to find the first term, it's the first term. Right? So in this case, it would be 2 squared, 4. So the first term equals 4. And how do I find the last term? I'm going to plug in the 5. Again, most of the time, if I did like a sum of 4 terms, I expected the last term was A4. But this time it's not. It's actually going to be A5, right? Because I'm plugging in 5 for n. And what will we get when we do that? 5 squared, 25. Last term. Okay, now it still says evaluate. So the evaluate part, since we can't use the formula, you're just going to have to make all the terms and add them up. Right? Start by plugging in n equals 2. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared, which is 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. And then you just got to add them up. 41, 54. Yeah. Plug in 5 for n. 5 squared, 25.